Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elementor Pro and Schema widgets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Elementor Pro, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section in the sidebar. Click on Add New to access the plugin repository. In the search bar, type Elementor and press Enter. Locate the Elementor Page Builder plugin in the search results. Click on the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the plugin. After activation, you will see Elementor in your dashboard menu. Next, purchase Elementor Pro from the official Elementor website. Log into your Elementor account and download the Elementor Pro zip file. Return to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, then Add New. This time, select Upload Plugin at the top of the page. Click on Choose File and select the Elementor Pro zip file you just downloaded. Press Install Now to upload the plugin. When the installation is complete, click Activate. You'll now need to connect your Elementor Pro license. In the dashboard, go to the Elementor section and select License. Paste the license key from your Elementor account and click Activate. Your Elementor Pro is now fully installed and activated. Next, to install Schema widgets, go to your WordPress dashboard again. In the dashboard, click on Elementor and then Settings. Under the Advanced tab, ensure that the Schema Now, create a new page or edit an existing one using Elementor. In the Elementor editor, locate the Widgets panel on the left side. Search for Schema to find available Schema widgets. Drag your chosen Schema widget onto the page. Fill in the required fields to configure your Schema settings. Publish or update your page to save your changes. Your Elementor Pro and Schema widgets are now successfully installed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.